It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and I wanted to make a little bit of a video just to talk about the coronavirus and this new pandemic that's coming. There is there's two things that I think are going to actually bring about the new modern pandemic in the world. And you know what? Corona might not be it, but if it's not Corona, it's going to be something else. Starting off, I wanted to say that China did a great job. They quarantined a major city. I don't know what the population of that city is, but it's huge. They quarantined it. They built a hospital basically in 6 days. I seen a picture of it, and it's prefab, but my gracious, they're doing what they can to stop this. And the more they do there, the better it is here. So I have to say they're doing a great job. But the two things in this modern age that I think are going to be the biggest contributing factor to the next pandemic is ease of travel. You can be in China, and hours later you can actually be in US or Canada walking around the streets before they even know they're ill and infecting everyone. So travel is going to be the hugest factor, and I mean that's pretty straightforward. Number two, I think the next big pandemic, when it's all said and done and they look back, they're going to blame it on cell phone usage. And it's not the using the electronics, but holding on to your electronics. No one sanitizes your phone like they should. Think about this. You go out shopping, you touch a keypad that thousands of people have touched, and then you touch your phone. You put your phone back in your pocket or your purse or whatever, and you open the door that more people have touched. Then you pull your cell phone and look at it. And then you go home and you set it on your counter. And then you go make a sandwich. And while you're eating your sandwich, you're lifting your phone. So you have touched thousands and thousands of people's germs. And you brought it back in your home. I really believe the next pandemic is pretty well going to be transmitted by cell phones. And it's going to be just people touching it, not sanitizing it. So I was looking at my emergency preparedness, and it's not really that great. I thought, you know what, especially for a pandemic, I don't have masks, I don't have gloves, and you know what, probably we should have had masks and gloves, just in case. China does it because they know that this is going to happen. It's just huge populations, tight area. This is going to happen. It's happened in the past. You ain't buying any more masks because, every company, they're out of them. But I was at Costco and I saw some nitrile gloves. So I bought 3 boxes of nitrile gloves. So you know what? That'll come in handy, at least working in the garage. But otherwise, you never know when they'll come in handy if it gets real bad or something. So that's how prepared I am here at Cheap Homesteading. Make sure you disinfect your cell phones, and you guys have a good one.